Welcome to Research Rocks. If you have iPhone, this video is very important for you. Couple of days ago, I am facing the problem my camera is suddenly black and I'm really surprised I'm not facing such kind of problem. Look at this here in the screen. My camera is totally black, so I'm doing some of the research and it's very simple process to fix this problem. I will show you 3 tips and tricks in this video one by one. So let's check it out on iPhone. So my iPhone is coming here. First of all, open the setting, general and software update. Sometimes if you are not update your software, so this problem is come. If you already update this problem, still you are facing this problem. So tips number 2, you should enter here, you should enter again setting, accessibility, and here the voice control option is available. So voice control, if you enable this voice control, so most of time the problem comes like this. If you disable this one and check your problem is solved or not. If your problem still is not solved, so final tips you should use and apply, and after that 100% I'm giving you guarantee your problem is solved and your camera is activated. Third number tips and tricks, your iPhone volume button up, down, and here the power button is also available. So you should use up, down, and then long press this button and just press continuously. Automatically your phone is shut down. It means restart all the setting, and after that your camera is activated. Look at this here, I shut down everything in my camera. It means this process comes like a reset your entire iPhone. After that definitely your problem is fixed using these tips and tricks. You should apply those tips and tricks and comment me your problem is solved or not. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.